I thought about doing that too, but I just
Wait, I can't see the thing. Oh.
He's soft. You could have done
Oh, you got box falling down.
Go ahead.
Alright, anyway, so all of you got 5 for the thing, but 5 was actually the time it took for the container to land to the tree place. So what you basically do is the scientific equation S equals D over T. So you just plug it in. So 400 is our distance and 5 is our time. You get 80 feet per second.
That's what I got.
I just have a question. I think that when it drops, it does increase speed. But like, how long does it have? Like, when does it start to increase speed, and at like what rate does it start to increase speed?
At what point? At what point does it start to?
Oh, put that over here under wonderments.
Yeah, because like
That's actually really
Hold
good.
on.
No.
Yeah, because you drop it from 10 feet. At what point does it
Too much coca.
at what?
At what
Working with this the whole time.
Job thinking.
At what rate does it increase speed? And then for it, what are we talking about with the it?
Great.
Great.
The crate.
Dangerous don't know.
So an object
And like, at what,
dropped by gravity or something?
at what rate?
Stop.
I did it right here. Look. Do you want it?
Stop so.
And then at what rate?
Well, the first one I have is at what rate? What was the second one?
Oh,
16.
never mind. Oh, like at what time? Like when does it? How long does it have to start to? That's basically.
Wait a minute.
that.
Yeah.
Like like if you drop a book like 2 inches off your hand, it's like it's not really increasing speed. Like if you were to drop it like how long does it take to increase speed? If that makes sense.
That's a great question. Does it increase speed? Like if we were able to break it down to like the nanoseconds,
Yeah.
is the first nanosecond slower than the 5th nanosecond? So did it start right away?
No.
Yes.
Well, yeah, because it starts to pick up speed because it goes from not moving and then it starts to pick up speed as it goes. So it's like,
Yeah, but when
so it starts
From the beginning.
straight from the beginning. Because if you're holding it, obviously, it's not going anywhere. It starts at 0, and then when you start to drop it, it picks up speed.
Yeah.
Because if it didn't pick up speed, then if you hold it here and you let go, it's just gonna stay there.
No, it could just. I'm saying like, is that like, it might pick up speed, but just later on in the dropping process.
Oh, she's basically saying like, say it's going at the same speed.
Yeah.
Then after 10 seconds, then it starts increasing.
But not 10 seconds, but yeah.
I just think
It was
it
like-
would
Yeah.
constantly increase because the
Yeah, I get
start
that
is
now.
at 0.
I get that now.
Zaya.
Isn't it like it increases speed until it reaches terminal velocity? Where it's
What does the 80 then represent? If it's not the speed the moment it hits the ground.
Maybe the starting speed.
The starting speed?
Middle
When you started, was it going 80?
Oh, is it the max speed?
The max speed maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe.
It's not. I just realized what
Oh,
you just said.
remember when you said that the average has to be like one of the numbers, so maybe it's the middle speed.
The middle speed.
Yeah.
The middle or the average?
It's the same thing.
Same.
Yeah, the
No,
average.
it's not.
So it has to be like
Isn't
one of
that-
the numbers of the speed.
It's different.
So like most likely it's the middle.
That's
The
the number it
median
has
is the
to
middle.
pass.
The average isn't the middle.
Okay, so we have a little bit of disagreement.
Hold on, is that
See, we have these, like,
It's
will we use
fucking
this
hot.
in this problem? Yes or no?
I have no idea. What would that get you?
I have no idea. That's the response I'm
Whatever
asking.
this will get you.
Yeah, whatever that will get you.
Okay, what does that get us?
I don't know. We don't remember. I really don't.
No one remembers what that got you.
Wait, it got you the, it was like,
Oh, wait,
it was
wait,
like
I
a
mean,
different
the
form of
point-
the box
the-
method kind of thing. Something like that.
You know what, Chuck? What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
like, the points how it was like the, oh my gosh, how it was,
No.
no. It's a different equation that's also like this. I wrote about it in my portfolio, but I don't remember what it's called. Where it's like, it has H and K, and that's how you figure out the, like, the highest points.
That's...
are you talking
Wait, no,
about-
that's the thing where it's like that, but this doesn't go like
The
that.
parabola.
Yeah, that.
So what does this figure out then?
No idea. points, like the highest points or something?
No, I will tell you this. I think it might be worth your time to use this formula with the equation that you guys have here and see what it gets you.
Okay. This is my time for cry.
Okay, Clea, I'm sorry.
No, we would have to have a B or else we can't use this equation. Why?
What is B? Is B that rising height?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh,
Because if B is, then it would just be 0.
yeah.
Because it didn't rise any.
Yeah.
4 times -16 times 400.
It would get you 5.
So what did it get you?
Oh,
Got your time.
5.
So what does the quadratic formula get you?
5.
The time.
The time till when?
So it
So we just did all that for nothing.
It wasn't that hard.
Not for nothing. Because you guys clearly forgot what the quadratic formula got you.
I mean, but then again, like it did
So when we
refresh our
did the,
memory.
when we did the fireworks, if you remember, the quadratic formula didn't give us the max height. It told us when it hit the ground.
Okay.
So it got you information you already knew, but it's important, I think, for you guys to grapple with that.
The difference between 16 to 48 or 48 to 80 would be 32. It goes, the speed goes up by 32 each time.
So it's constant in a way.
It is constant in a way. That's a good way to think about it.
So when it,
But it's actually not a constant speed.
yeah, a constant increase.
The difference, this sort of, not this difference, this next difference is
The
constant.
second
Isn't it
difference.
The second difference, we can call
a
it.
constant increase? Is it not?
It seems to have a constant increase. So.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So wouldn't it just be 176? Because
From 176 was the speed between 5 and 6 seconds.
Okay, so do we need to find?
The distance between, I mean,
Well, because it increased 32 by 32. So whatever 44 plus 32 is, would it get you the 0?
That would be.
That would get you the ending height. Yeah. So the ending speed.
You're missing a piece.
Wait, would it be like with the speed when it hits the ground 175 because that's right before it like changes, or
it'll be
That's a good thing to
or
think
just
about.
somewhere in
It'd be-
between 144 and 176?
Maybe somewhere between. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Go ahead.
I have two things. Like, one, I was thinking for the time, like we use the time and the height to figure out like the speeds.
Okay.
So what if we went between the time, like, okay, so we go up by seconds. If we tried 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like what Colin's thinking about. Do you hear how he's thinking?
Yeah.
Another
like finding
thing was,
betweens.
Yeah, like if we got 4.5 seconds, then we might be able
That's
to.
what I said.
Like get closer to the
but
exact answer.
I was also thinking
I just said
with that, if we find a way to figure that out, then we figure out like maybe everything in between, like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, because because the question up there, how fast is the box traveling the moment it hits the ground? Wouldn't it be 0? So we have to find the closest point possible to it hitting the ground, because if it hits the ground, it's stopped. So we have to find the closest thing to it hitting the ground to find the speed that it's traveling.
What do y'all think about what Colin's saying?
He just had
I
a mental
agree.
breakthrough.
You agree? What do you say?
He said he gave us like a mental breakthrough, like
Mental
For real,
breakthrough.
it makes you really think about your life for a second.
Go ahead. All right, yo. You each got some fresh ideas
so
put out there?
How close do you want, like,
Yeah.
how close is close enough?
Oh, I love it. We can put that over here.
Can you just answer it for us?
Please.
that
We got.
Raekwon, you know that's
Hey, you
never
gotta
gonna
say, like,
happen.
to the 15th decimal point or something, like.
Nope.
Like, are you saying to like the last
Could you get closer?
Yeah.
I think when you actually go to do the math, you'll be able to answer this question by yourselves.
You give me chills.
You'll
if I
see.
do that.
There's a very formal thing going on, but I think you guys will answer that question yourself.
Okay, this is a kind of a brain fart question.
Okay.
But so, you know how you can't just like divide this by, you can't divide that by decimal, so would I multiply
not?
it? Or
Divide by 0.1.
Because it would give you like a humongous number.
Okay?
Oh, okay.